Hey guys, it's Devin here. I haven't recorded in a minute. It's February 11th. We're supposed to have a winter storm today, but today. Check this out. We're gonna go to the scope. This is an A70. Here it is. And someone sent this in from TikTok. Let me see if I can play around the camera a little bit. There we go. So, the FPC connector. Supposed to be this pretty little thing. Is completely gone. So here's the connector where it's supposed to be. And the cable is supposed to run through here, go straight to it, connect, and then that's what connects the bottom board to the top board. So this is not going to allow it to charge the battery. Look at this. What did this shop do? Took it to another shop, and they tried to tape and glue all this back together. I mean, there's literally glue here. Just crusties. It looks like maybe super glue over here. They had a bunch of goo all over it. This is a true mess. So what I do, I definitely put UV over this. Put UV resin there and there. I think maybe that's not cut. Let's zoom in on that. Okay. Gosh. So yeah, the board's exposed here. Chipped away in many spots. God, look at this. How does someone treat it like this? Doesn't make any sense. Here's one of those pads. Little piece of it. This still looks okay. Yeah, I should be able to maybe scratch these two. We'll see if we can clean these up. Oh my god, look how ridged they are. Guys, this is just terrible. This is terrible. Oh man, I scratched pretty bad. God almighty. This is horrible. Really horrible. I'm gonna play around and try to do this for the entire process.